Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing two looks inspired by Cassie or Sweeney from Euphoria. The first look I'm doing is a very simple kind of peachy eye with rhinestones as like my winged liner. You don't technically have to do this like peachy vibe that was in the episode. She wears a lot of like baby pinks and baby blues and peachy colors, so I feel like any of those would do. I just went with the peachy look for this because it mimicked the look in the episode. It doesn't have to be perfect when you're wiping it on your eye. It wasn't like the whole eyelid was covered in eyeshadow. It was like a wing eyeshadow, but very soft, because eyeshadow really wasn't like the centerfold. It was the rhinestone winged eyeliner, which was pretty fun. Help yourself out and use clear eyelash glue. The only kind I have right now is black, so that was a bit of a pain, and I ended up making my own rhinestone dipper tool with just dipping a old pencil into my candle after it was lit, and it works. This eye definitely looks better than the other one, but I'm still happy with it. It doesn't have to be perfect. I feel this look was from season 1, and it was more when Cassie, I feel like, was softer, not like trying so hard to like get Nate's attention, which like I still don't understand like why she wanted him. He's literally awful. But she didn't have any eyelashes on, so she just had some mascara, so that's what I did. And then the rest of the face was pretty basic. I just added some concealer, some peachy blush, and a kind of orangey tinted lip gloss to just kind of tie it all together. It was very simple. I really like it. The second look is from season 2, and it's the iconic episode where she has her 4 a.m. wake up routine, and this was one of the looks that she had, and I was obsessed. Super neon, hot pink, kind of like cat eye ombre makeup. And I actually used the Colourpop and Fade into Hue eyeshadow palette in the pink brow, which I hadn't done on my channel yet. And you just basically take a very neon pink and then a lighter pink on the lid, and then like a purple shade, which I used from the Cloud Spun palette in the shade Bonbon to add that like dimension right there. I even added a bit of cotton candy to add some shimmer, and it turned out super good. I like using this tape method to help really keep it sharp, but you can always go in after and clean it up like I did, because this row had a lot of fallout. Again, she only had a little mascara, nothing fancy, but knowing myself, I wanted the drama. If this was me, I would have worn eyelashes. So I added some new ones I got from Shein, and they're so floofy. I definitely took some liberties with the rest of my makeup. I went in with the Kosas Revealer foundation. I figured if she's really trying to get Nate's attention and trying a different look, she would do a full glam. I think in the episode she didn't have like anything too crazy going on. I honestly can't remember. I just remember the eye look. But I did like the Flawless foundation. Set it with some powder. I didn't contour. I put a matching pink blush from Colourpop. I read this article, which I'll link below, about Cassie's makeup, and it said Cassie's makeup evolution has portrayed her ultimate downfall in consistent manic episodes through season 2. Cassie's makeup in the first episode showcased the multitude of emotions she was experiencing, her disappointment in herself and her immense amount of fear she had, knowing that she'd betrayed her best friend Maddie. This look was a first glimpse into the makeup playing a large role in emotions in the characters. The rhinestones on her lid were a change from the softer looks she had in season 1. And then we obviously see her try like the Oklahoma look, the look where she literally is copying Maddie's exact outfit. she's obviously having an identity crisis and really trying to get Nate's attention, which I don't understand because he's literally a trash dumpster and I see nothing appealing about his character. Her makeup definitely changes the most of all the characters because she used to be like, I like to call it the soft girl makeup, and then she goes into this like harder version of her trying to be more like Maddie. And then you see Maddie, who was like the bad girl, dramatic makeup, and then it really simplifies down towards the end because she's like sad girl. And which who wouldn't be, because the whole situation was messy. But I thought it was interesting how they had the makeup play into everyone's emotions. And then I ended up lining my lips with a Rimmel London lip liner, which doesn't really matter, can be any color. And then I went in with this Holika lipstick, which is so freaking cute, and honestly it lasts really long. I wore it to a burlesque show the other night, and we ate mac and cheese before, and then talked and had a drink and whatever, and by the time I got home it was still going strong, so it's pretty good formula. There are the two looks. I think they're both equally beautiful, both very different. One's a little more full glam and pink, and the other one's much more natural, simple with that rhinestone liner, which I think is really fun. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.